and we'll be learning many other concepts of the Hibernate, part of this Hibernate framework. And also Log4j, JUnit, and these are the frameworks. Mostly you can see all these framework part of every real-time application development. These are like a mandatory. So Log4j basically a logging system, and JUnit for unit testing of your application. Whenever you are developing the code, how do you ensure that code is working fine? For that you need to do the unit testing programs. Nowadays it become very common of developing the application in a TDD, that is test driven development way. So using the JUnit, then and there you can test your code. And we will be learning the latest features of the JUnit, that is 4 as well. And also Ant is a build tool through which you can write a build script to automate the application lifecycle, that is compiling, running, and deploying into the servers, and many others. And also we are learning a small tool called jar tool, so through which you can create the Java libraries. So apart from this, like this is the environment pretty much we will be using and we'll be learning part of the training. So we are going to use the Eclipse IDE. So we will see a lot of other Eclipse related features during our training. And also the servers which I'm going to demonstrate during the training is Apache Tomcat server and JBoss application server. And I'm going to simulate or showcase you a lot of other tools like CVS, that is software configuration management tool, or we can also take SVN, depends on the requirement, and how I can debug my Java application. How I can debug my Java application, whether it can be simple desktop application or it can be a server based application. What are the best coding techniques which I can follow so during the real-time application development? What are the best way of doing the coding practices? And also I will try to share with you a lot of frequently asked questions. Who are really preparing for the interview, this is really usable for them. And also I will take a session on interview, how to handle the interview, how to take the interview. That will help you. I know pretty much you guys can do it better way, but if you need, I can share my experience, I can share the experience of the prior student, that might helpful for you, right? And apart from that, so part of my training I would like to provide some kind of outcome of the training. So what I can provide you during my training, so I can say for every topic which I'm going to cover, which I'm going to teach part of my training, I can provide you the rich presentation slides, and also I can provide you the examples. I can also provide you the slides where you can see like how to set up the softwares, and I can provide you assignments like when you complete a major topic, and I can provide you the assignments, and when you work out them, you definitely will get a hands-on practice and various interview related stuff, and lot of documentation, URLs, and many more. And also every time I am really interested to having the question and answer session to get it clarify your questions. And not only that, always you can reach me back on my phone or my email address for any kind of questions or clarifications, and I can revert back to the answers. And not only that, even I'm in the plan of preparing, I mean like already I started and most of the part is done, a blog, so which contains lot of information about the training. So the blog URL is javatrng.blogspot.com, and you can see and about my training, and these are the training deliverables. So what I'm going to provide you in the training, and detailed course details, what each and every micro level content which I am going to cover. So detailed course details. And apart from that, so you can see the flash news, when I'm going to conduct the demos, and when I'm going to start a new batches. And if you want to contact me, you can click on this contact us, or you can send me a mail to java java.trng@gmail.com. And you can see various other links, like if you want to provide your contact details, you can click on this contact us, and you can fill your name, email and phone number, say submit. And also you can provide any feedback, whether it regarding the training content or anything, you can provide it. And you can select the type of the feedback which you are providing, and you can enter your feedback, and you can click on the submit. And if you want to post your Java and J2 questions apart from sending the mail, so nowadays what I'm planning is, like, I'm preparing this here itself in the online. You can place your question and answers. You can ask your question and select what kind of question you are asking, and if you know answer, you can enter it, otherwise you can skip, and I'll be sending you the answer. And apart from this, like, if you have any kind of general question and answers, I have included few of them, but if you have anything else, you can just share with me, I can add it here. And so, and my training details, like, I'm going to offer my training only for the $299, and believe me, this is pretty much reasonable when you compare to anyone, any institute or any consultancies in the market. And why I can able to offer for the less price is, I'm the one who is going to train you or teaching, so directly me only doing the teaching, so let me take the lesser bucks, then everybody can able to reach out. So that's the intention why I'm offering for the less price. And also the duration of the training is 60 hours. And if you need any more information, or if you want to reach me out, you can send an email to java.trngtraining@gmail.com. I'm really thank you for your time, and so being a patient, taking my demo. So I'm really thankful for you all, and if you have any questions or clarifications or feedback, feel free to contact me on my mail ID. Thank you. Have a good day.